The average lifespan for a facilities manager at any one single public agency on average is less than 7 years. And that means that the decisions that you make are really temporary because you don't have enough time to understand how long products actually last. And for a lot of agencies that go through a lot of facilities managers, you choose a product, 3 years from now you choose another product, 3 years ago you choose another product, and then those facilities managers inherit the problems of the previous ones based on maybe it's cost, maybe it's they bought something based on literature and didn't pan out, and then they're in warranty fights. And then that's between the manufacturer, that's between the contractor, and then ultimately the person that loses is the customer, you. The goal is that we make the right decision with the limited amount of funds that we have right now, and we look into the future 30 or 40 years of the decisions that we make now. Unfortunately, that's hard to do because most products, especially in roofing and waterproofing, they fail prematurely. So if you've had a roofing manufacturer that you've liked for maybe 5 years or so, you're not even quite at the point where you're gonna even have warranty issues at year 7, year 10, year 15, year 20, so you don't actually know. And the decisions that you make really need to be based on 30 years from now. But most of our time is spent with short-term decision making based on, do we like the manufacturer's rep? What does the literature look like? What do other people say about it? But the reality is you need to make your choice based on the actual product. Is the product actually designed to last for the life of your building? Is it designed to last for 30 or 40 years? Or do you know that you're gonna have to put maintenance in at year 7, 10, 12, 15, 20? And then add up the cost and the burden of that. And if a roofing system requires maintenance at year 8, year 5, seams start to fall apart, starts to blister, the material starts to degrade, that's not maintenance, that's a roof failure. And when you really start to ask, beyond just, hey, what manufacturer gives you really good customer service? Do they take care of their warranty stuff? Ask the question, what company and what manufacturer makes a roofing product that's actually designed to last, that you actually trust beyond just the literature, beyond the customer service? So if I installed a roof today, what product would you choose if you didn't have customer service, you didn't have a warranty, and you just relied on the product to actually work? Now, we know, and WeatherWeld customers know, that they don't actually need to buy a warranty for WeatherWeld, because number one, WeatherWeld comes with one inherently, but number two is they can see the fact that it's gonna work on its face because it's 5 times thicker, 5 times stronger, it's one seamless piece, and then go look at other customers' roofs that have lasted a warranty length and are still going. And we can't say that for any other manufacturer. So when we say that WeatherWeld is designed to eliminate your roof leaks on your buildings for a lifetime, we mean that.